Back in the 90s, I was working on the pipelines, from a aerial patrol perspective, and I got involved with a company and we kind of made a bet about finding defects on the pipeline and where they were actually located. And so I kind of envisioned the pipeline as being a flight path, looking at time, distance, and being familiar with the three-dimensional layout of the pipeline. I looked at it and said, well, if you're traveling at a constant speed, then the anomaly is going to be located at this location. They were digging in the wrong spot, and they started digging in the spot I said after a bottle of scotch bet, and found the defect. So they bet me to do it 5 more times. I got 5 more bottles of scotch. It's the common sense of oil and gas that really inspires me, is look at it and try not to over-engineer it, but look at it from a common sense perspective. I think the first thing is safety. We have to be very careful with energy. I mean, your propane bottle, your gas pipeline, these are all energy containers, if you will. And a failure in those, we've all seen the news, with the fires and what have you, but the failure of those things poses a serious threat. And, I want to protect the environment. So I got 2 things. I got public safety, I got environment. Those are the things. And I think we can achieve those because our goals are common within the industry. That's really what inspires me, is to say, okay, how can we apply some common sense